Okay guys, let's talk about something important here. If you can see this market move, it's more like the market is entering in a transition, because you can tell that it was moving strongly upwards, but now it seems like the strength is decreasing. So we can identify that by just looking at the flow and also looking at the waves. You can see that there is more activity taking place in this area, which tells us that it's likely that now the players, they are in a battle, the buyers and the sellers, they are now fighting. So in such scenarios, a lot of day traders, they will begin to make short-term trading decisions which might affect the results that they get. For an example here, if you can see with this lower trend line, you can connect these lows and you can see that with this lower trend line, and also you can see that up there with that resistance. And so traders can be fooled by that resistance and think that, okay, let me make a quick selling trade here, or let me open a short position here. So if you open this trade here going down, you need to know that it's likely that this trade will not last long. Why? Because we have a lot of activity taking place here. For an example, with this key level here, we also have this key level all the way down here. So as the price is going down, you need to know that it is likely that it is going to move the exact way it did here. It will start by giving you maybe a double top, and as it is going down, it will keep on going up again, and then eventually it won't even break that previous low. So we're expecting the exact same thing to take place here, that okay, as the market is moving down, it is like that it's going to be encountering a lot of challenges. Why? Because of the recent activity of the market. So the waves here, they are not profound, they are not smooth. So the waves they are being challenged. For an example, if the market goes down here, it's like it's gonna reverse here and go up and again go down and maybe go up again. It is not clear on what is going to happen. So that's what I'm trying to point out, that when the market is not clear of where it is going to go, don't make a decision, don't rush to make a decision because you are seeing a usual pattern. And so make sure that before you execute a trade, or before you open a position, you understand clearly what the market is doing and where it is like to go. In this scenario, we don't know whether the sellers are strong or the buyers are strong, because the buyers, they were stronger before, but now it seems like they're struggling because they are failing to give us the strength that they showed before. Let me just erase and show you something with that one there. Let me put it back, and then this one there. So if you can look with this impulsive wave going up, a corrective wave, an impulsive, and a corrective wave, and again an impulsive. So if you can see the pattern, that this impulsive was very, very huge, and this corrective wasn't that big, so it was, let's say it is small. But then looking at this impulsive now, you can see that this impulsive is a little bit smaller compared to the previous one, and this corrective is a little bit bigger compared to the previous one. So you can see that now the buyers, they are getting weaker and the sellers, they are getting strong. But this is happening still, the market is heading up. Why? Because we haven't received a break of this low here. So until the sellers break this low, this is still buyers market. However, it is not recommended to go with the buyers. Why? Because they are showing us signs of weakness. This overall analysis tells us that they are weak, but the sellers as well, they still haven't proved to us that they have what it takes to push this market down. So the only time that we will know that the market is going down, it is when now the sellers give us something like a lower low, and then maybe something like a high that is lower as well. So we're waiting for a low which is lower than that previous one. So until then, there is nothing that we can do in these scenarios. Remember, when you are trading, you are trying to figure out high probability trades. So stop making decisions on trade that you are not sure of, or it'll really cost you big time. So I'm just gonna keep it short and leave it here. Thank you guys for watching.